Oi, you there. Let's make my dairy-free miso butter. Guys, let's make my miso butter. Start with a couple of 100 grams of dairy-free butter. If you're not dairy-free, do not flipping worry. Just use the normal crap. It doesn't matter. Next, we're going to whack in 3 tablespoons of white miso paste, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of sesame oil. I absolutely love sesame oil. No, if you're allergic to it, don't put it in because it won't end up good for you. Might be more of a teaspoon, but I like the stuff, so it's going in. A couple of tablespoons of gluten-free soy sauce. That's probably 1. That's 2. And then we're going to season it with some sea salt. Hopefully I've got enough. I'm running out. And I can't be asked to go to the shop. There we go, perfect. And some cracked black pepper. I don't know why I've got one of these grinders because they're shite. So don't buy this, they're shite. And then next, all you do is blend it. And then simply scrape down the sides. So grab some cling film, whack the mixture on, and then we're just going to roll it up and presto into the fridge, done.